Joseph here from ACAP. So a quick one on a pair that I don't usually look at too much, but I found that the pattern is a pretty good looking one. And we'll just run through it. It'll be on the short side, but we do have the the FOMC coming out early tomorrow morning, Australian time. So that's definitely one to be watched. We want it to have a negative impact on the Aussie. So we can see we have this nice entrenched downtrend here. We've had this nice push higher that's tested that downtrend as well. And it's got into that resistance area as well, which is up around that 0.6020-ish area. We've seen a nice fail there. So you can just zoom in here. There's been a nice fail. And we can see the moving average is pointing down quite nicely, and we can also see that the CCI is just starting to threaten to go back below the zero, and that is a nice little cherry on top for confirming continuations at times. So we can see selling here today, which is another good sign. But what we really want to see now is a break of this low, and then we want to see if prices can get back down to test this area here at 58.75, and then break that area to continue this downtrend. If we do see a close below this low here, then we'll be looking for this overall trend to continue. But if we do see a move down, we'll be then looking to see if this continuation pattern has started to confirm. So that's really some of the keys we are watching at the moment on the dollar Swissy. So just to run over that again, we have a nice fade there after yesterday's strong rally post surprise interest rate rise by the RBA. It was faded overnight, and we can see a lot of buyer strength and momentum evaporated very quickly. That's good to see when you have a downtrend. And then we are looking now to see if this selling that has picked up today, if they can break yesterday's low and then continue down to test and break this area. Obviously, the CCI will turn below the zero if that does occur. But the keys here is not so much the CCI and the moving average slope pointing down. It's really as if sellers can break that low and then get back down and break this level here. So if all those things line up, we see a test and break this low, that could be a good signal that this trend is going to continue, but a break of that low there could signal that there's going to be a move back down to this level to have another crack at it, and then may hopefully break this counter rally resistance in the current trend. If we see a hold here and then a new move higher, be very careful if you're short, because that could give us an indication that it's a false move, and that buyers are not only defending, but they're ready to have another push. So any move, if we see selling down to this area, it stops. We have a tail going through here, and that also gets chewed back up above this level. And then we see a new bar of buying. If that bar does end up on the next couple of bars breaking this level here, it's a warning sign for sellers, definitely. But if we do see a lower high and then a new breakdown through, that's fine. But what we don't want to see is a hold here, a move up, then another move up. So that would signal a new support hold / higher low. So a few things there just to keep in the back of the mind as we watch what happens next on the Aussie Swissy. So do remember the FOMC. Anything positive for the Aussie could send it higher. Anything negative could help to confirm the current idea that we're looking at. So that's it for now. Thanks very much for your time. Have a great day, and do remember the FOMC tomorrow morning, Australian Eastern Standard Time, and all the best for your trading. Thanks, and bye for now.